everyone, my name is Sakshi Tomar from FoundersCart and today I am here to explain how a company can change its name. So, without wasting the time, let's start the process. First of all, what you need to do, you have to check the name that you have selected for change of your company, whether the name is identical or resemble with any existing company name. If yes, then government will not allow you that name, but if no, then you can proceed further. Second thing, change of name shall not be allowed to a company which is default in filing of its annual returns or financial statement or any document due for filing to the registrar. So, if your company is in default, then you cannot change your company name. And if your company has complied with all the compliances, then you can proceed further. So now let's start the process. First thing, you have to call the board meeting, and for calling the board meeting, you have to prepare the notice of the board meeting, calling board meeting, and the notice will be served to all the directors of the company before 7 days from the date of the meeting. But if any case you want to keep the meeting at a shorter notice, then you have to take the consent and shorter notice consent from all the directors of the company, and after that you can conduct the meeting without giving 7 days notice. So it's totally depend on you. If you have time, you can just serve the notice of 7 days. Otherwise, you can take a shorter notice consent and conduct the meeting. So this will be the draft. You can prepare the notice of the meeting according to this draft, and in this draft we have to fix the date, time and venue of the meeting and circulate this to all the directors. After that, what you need to do, you have to conduct the board meeting, and after conducting the board meeting you have to check the quorum of the meeting. If proper quorum is present, then you have to move the resolution for the approval of change of the name of the company with shareholder approval, and also issue a notice to the shareholders meeting and assign a person to sign the notice of the EGM to call. Now you have to pass the resolution according to this format. After that, you have to call the second process now come to third. The third one is you have to file the form run form, that is reserve your unique name. And for this, what you need to do, you have to fill the form according to the path that I have given here. First of all, you have to open the form after using the link, and after open the form, what you need to do, you have to select here, it is a new request or a resubmission. You have to select here on new request, and after that you have to fill the name that you want for your company, and in this you have to attach the board resolution for shifting. You have to attach the board resolution for name change that the board of directors has already passed. So these are the attachment that you need to attach, that is board resolution, and after that you can submit the form and make the payment to the ministry, and after 2 or 3 working days you will get your reward from the ministry side whether the name is allowed or not. Now let's proceed further. After getting the name approval from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, what you need to do, you have to conduct the EGM meeting. So after checking the quorum, you have to move the resolution to the shareholders of the company and take their approval that the company is going to change their name from this to this, and the name clause in memorandum of association and article of association is going to be changed with the new name. So you have to pass the resolution, and after passing the resolution according to the above mentioned format, you have to file form MGT14. So for MGT14 is basically for the special resolution. If the company is going to pass any special resolution, then within 30 days from the date of the meeting, company need to file MGT14. So what you need to do here is that you have to fill here the company SIN number, and after that you have to select the resolution, and here you will select the purpose of the filing of the form. So after selecting the purpose of the filing of the form, you have to select here whether the second point, alteration in memorandum of association except in case of change in name, then you have to select alteration in memorandum for change name. Here the fourth point, and after that what you need to do, you have to fill the resolution is passed by the shareholder or by the board of directors. So here you will select shareholder, and here you need to attach the minutes of the meeting of the EGM, special resolution and notice of the EGM. With that you have to attach here the MOA copy and article of association copy after name change. And if the meeting is conducted as a shorter notice, you have to attach that shorter notice meeting also here. Now sorry. Now, after filing the form MGT14, what you need to do, you have to file the form INC24. INC24 is application for the approval of central government for name change. So in this you have to fill here the SIN number of the company, and after filling the SIN number of the company, what you need to do, you have to fill here the reason for the change name. What is the reason? What is the purpose that your company is going to change the name? You have to specify that reason here. After that, you have to fill the SRN of the MGT14 that you have already uploaded. And after that, you have to fill here date of the passing of the special resolution and the date of the filing of the form MGT14, that is payment challan date. So here you can fill all the details, and after filling all the details here, what you need to do, you have to enter here in clause 7 number of members attend the meeting, and after that number of members who are in favor of the meeting and number of members who are against in the meeting. So you have to fill here according to the total number present in the meeting. And here after everything, what you need to do, you have to attach here the attachment for the form INC24, that is notice along with explanatory statement, certified true copy of the special resolution, altered MOA and AOA of the company, minutes of the general meeting, and affidavit from the directors of the meeting regarding the same. And after that, you have to upload the form on ministry portal, and after uploading the form, making the payment, the government will review and will revert you and will issue a new name change certificate to the company. So this is the complete process if a company is going to change its name. So hope this video will help you, and if you need any professional assistance, then you can coordinate our website, that is www.founderscart.in. Thank you so much.